Hey my YouTube friends, Alan Palin here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am actually getting ready to film another video, but I thought it would be so fun to share with you guys a little updated get ready with me. As someone whose combination skin is currently leaning towards the dry side of things, I thought I would share with you guys a few of the products I've currently been obsessed with. I am such a fan of facial oils and facial serums. Today I'm going to be using the Milani Green Goddess Glow Oil. I love how hydrating this oil is. It makes your skin super supple without clogging your pores. I love to put this oil everywhere. You know what I'm saying? I love applying the extra to my hair since it is fried. Next I have the Jouer Anti-Aging Moisture Primer. This literally feels like a fancy eye cream. It is great for makeup application and it has anti-aging properties. And she's thick. For foundation today, I have my Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator. While this is very sheer in coverage, for me it is just enough. This is extremely lightweight and hydrating. I am shade number 10N Fair Neutral. Way too much. Shit is getting real. I love applying this with a brush and then blending it out with a beauty sponge. As you can see, it is very sheer, but my skin feels nice. To add just a little more coverage, I have my Juvia's Place Concealer in shade 23. As I have mentioned before, this is a great dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. We'll give that a quick little blend. We're going to set that really quick with the Juvia's Place Setting Powder in shade White Sand. If your skin is dry, don't use a lot. Since powder does tend to dry your skin, I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Sculpting Bronzer. Next, we're going to set everything into place with the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist. What a mighty fine mister. Not only does it hydrate your skin, it keeps your makeup on lockdown. Just like me. Alright you guys, here is the final look. Feel free to let me know what you guys think down below. I had such a great time hanging out with you guys as per usual, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!